Is iMovie actually worth it? Is iMovie a good video editing app? And on this channel, I've done a lot of videos and tutorials about YouTube, making money on YouTube, and a lot more. And of course, if you are a YouTuber and you're trying to make it on YouTube or even TikTok, Instagram, if you're trying to be a content creator, let me word it like that, you have to edit your videos. Unless you hire an editor, you have to edit your videos. And I'm gonna be honest, and I'm gonna say it, for me personally, only edit my videos in iMovie. I've never used any other video editing app when it comes to my YouTube videos. It is literally just iMovie. And I want to do this video because I think a lot of times, because iMovie is free, a lot of people have this perception like, oh, well, it's just iMovie or it's free. How good can it be? And I'm not going to lie. All my videos I've edited in iMovie, and iMovie is a phenomenal editing software. I do have a video I do have a playlist of all my videos listed below in the description containing all my iMovie tutorials. I've done I think 20 or 30 on this channel so far. I've done a lot of iMovie tutorials. And the main reason why is I think the thing with iMovie is, one, the quality is excellent. There's a lot of free programs out there that when you bounce out the actual video, it's not good or whatever. And two, and I think this is a big thing about iMovie that I love, it's very user-friendly. Unless you're making and doing some crazy, complex, very technical video editing things and whatnot, yes, other programs, of course, are going to be better. There's no question there, right? I think the two big ones, if you really look at them, are pretty much Adobe Premiere, of course, is probably the biggest, and then Final Cut Pro. Those are really the two big video editing softwares that a lot of people use. But the truth is, iMovie is still incredible when it comes to things like, of course, cutting, chopping, even things like green screens. I mean, there's a lot of technical stuff that iMovie can do that I think a lot of people don't know about, if I were like that, which is why I've done so many tutorials on it, because iMovie is truly a powerful program that's 100% worth it. I mean, even David Dobrik, the famous YouTuber, has said he just uses iMovie. He just uses iMovie when it comes to editing his YouTube videos. And I know a bit of a random video to post on this channel, but I did want to post it because I think a lot of times when it comes to doing YouTube and making YouTube videos, a lot of people, I think especially in the beginning, have this mindset like, oh, I have to get the best this, the best that, the best this. My setup, I'm not joking, when it comes to filming my videos, the whole production process, let me word it like that, is incredibly simple. I film all my videos with my iPhone. Right now, I'm filming this video with my iPhone. Two, I have a $20 tripod. I have it listed below in the description and most descriptions on my videos. And so like a $15 to $20 tripod on Amazon, depending on when you buy it. Sometimes they have deals. That's it, 15 or 20 bucks. Then I have this microphone, the Shure MV7 microphone. This one was a bit pricey. This was about 250 bucks when I bought it. So it's kind of ironic that, I guess besides my phone, this is one of my most expensive things when it comes to the production part. But I film all the stuff like I'm doing right now, and then put it on my MacBook. And then all the editing I do, whether it's adding audio, adding in music, chopping stuff, all that stuff is all done in iMovie. It is truly, in my opinion, the best free software. And I do, and the main reason, especially for a video like this, the main reason why I really want to make this video and just kind of do a deep dive, just in terms of like an iMovie review, if I'd word it like that, is that just because it's free doesn't mean it's bad. iMovie is an incredible software, and I have had some people hit me up being like, hey, Mark, I want to, get into YouTube and start editing and whatnot, but I have to save up for Final Cut Pro, or I have to get that Adobe Creative Cloud that's like 20 bucks a month for infinity, which is annoying, by the way, as a side note. I hate now that we live in this odd world where, as opposed to just buying Adobe Premiere, you have to get the Adobe Creative Cloud that's $20 a month forever. Super annoying. I don't know. But anyway, I digress. Then in general, iMovie is a phenomenal software. And so many, I'm going to say professionals and heavy hitters, if I'd even call it like that, use iMovie because of how good the quality is and how amazing and especially easy it is to use and edit your videos.